I think back when I first interviewed with Conoco for a job in this industry, and the person who was interviewing me said that this is really the best job there is as a lawyer. I was a bit skeptical at the time, but I've really come to realize what he was talking about. Energy truly runs the world, and oil and gas deals run the industry. So it's a chance to be part of something really dynamic. You often travel to very exotic places that perhaps you would not be able to visit for visa reasons, for instance. There's a very diverse type of contract mix that we wind up working on. In some industries, you might work primarily confidentiality agreements or product distribution agreements, those sorts of things. But an oil and gas attorney has to be a master of a wide panoply of different kinds of agreements. What I would say to young lawyers is that if you could make it in the oil and gas business, learning this wider range of agreements, you'll be able to take that kind of knowledge and apply it elsewhere. The other thing that's great about being an international oil and gas attorney is that it gives you the chance to see other places and to work with a lot of different kinds of people in a lot of different multicultural environments. Sometimes we're sent into countries that might be in a hostile state, for instance, difficult working environment. Accommodations are not that great. You have diverse and complex legal systems to work with, which is a big part of it. First, you have to have solid drafting and negotiating skills, attention to detail and nuance. Small mistakes in contracts can have devastating consequences. And finally, you have to have very effective networking capabilities. Even when you're not working, you can still be networking.